The Zoyi Zt-703S presents itself as a versatile diagnostic tool, integrating a 3-in-1 oscilloscope multimeter into a single unit. This device offers comprehensive electrical measurement capabilities, designed for users requiring both waveform analysis and precise numerical readings within their workflow. At its core, the Zt-703S combines an oscilloscope with a multimeter, offering dual functionality. The oscilloscope features a 50 MHz bandwidth and a 280 MSA/s sampling rate, suggesting capability for capturing and analyzing a range of electrical signals with considerable detail. For its multimeter functions, the unit provides 25,000 counts, indicating a high degree of precision in its numerical measurements. This combination of tools makes the Zoyi Zt-703S suitable for various applications. Professionals in electronics repair, field service technicians, or hobbyists involved in circuit design could find this unit beneficial for troubleshooting, component testing, and signal integrity checks. Its integrated design streamlines the process of diagnosing issues that require both waveform visualization and accurate digital readings. A prominent feature is the 3.5-inch IPS display, which is expected to offer clear and vibrant visualization of waveforms and numerical data. The IPS technology typically ensures good viewing angles, enhancing usability in different working environments. This display size suggests a balance between portability and readability, crucial for a device of this nature. In summary, the Zoyi Zt-703S appears to be a well-rounded instrument, delivering the combined power of an oscilloscope and a high-count multimeter. Its technical specifications, particularly the dual-channel oscilloscope capabilities and the precise multimeter readings, coupled with a clear IPS display, position it as a comprehensive tool for those needing integrated electrical analysis in a practical format.